Auzubillahiminash-shaitanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you all? Okay, student, today is our lecture number 2. Okay, so tell me, have you watched lecture number 1? Have you done the task, whatever I have assigned to you? That's good. Okay, so in lecture number 2, we will discuss the previous topic that was our pride, our identity. Okay, open your book. Go to page number 89 and take out your pencil also. We will start doing exercise C on book page number 89. Okay? So, what we have to do in this exercise, we have to solve this exercise, and they are saying that fill in the blanks with suitable words. Okay? So, we have to fill in the blanks with suitable words. Your first statement is the national flag of a nation dash it from other. Yes, distinguishes it from other nations. Number second statement is national anthem is played on special events along with the raising of the national flag. Along with the raising of national flag. You always do raise your national flag while you are in assembly in your own school. So, the answer is flag. Your next statement is the crescent of Pakistani flag symbolizes what? Progress. That's good. So, your next statement is pupils sing their national anthem with dash, with zeal. Okay, moving to the next page, that is page number 89. We are doing the same exercise. The statement number 5 is our national anthem is a piece of dash excellence, poetic excellence. Okay, each verse of our national anthem is a dash of dash, is a pearl of wisdom. Number 7 statement is national anthem boosts the feeling of dash and dash, pride and honor. Okay, so your next statement, that is number 8, is we should stand still in respect in dash when our national anthem is being sung or played. We should stand still in respect. Okay, what you do when you are listening to national anthem? You stand still over there in respect. Yes, so you have to stand still in respect when our national anthem is being sung or played. Okay, so your next exercise is when national flag is flown, those in uniform must dash it, must salute it. Okay, so your number 10 is both our flag and anthem are symbols of dash. Yes, symbol of pride. Okay, so students, exercise D, E, and F. D and E, I will do it in I will solve to you in next lecture. And exercise F is draw the flag of Pakistan in your notebook. You have to draw it by yourself. Okay. After drawing it, you have to send the picture of it to me. Then I will give you remarks. Okay. Special remarks. So, student, next topic is language structure. Okay. So, here it says out of 12 tenses, we have already done 8 tenses as shown in blue table. Observe and given below. Okay. So, present, how many tenses we have? 3 tenses. Present, past, future. Okay. So, we have present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and then we have learned about past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, and then we have learned about future indefinite, future continuous, and future. Now we will do today future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. What is a future perfect tense? Future perfect tense refer to an action that is not yet completed but will be completed at some specific time in future. Okay? Some action that is not being completed but will be completed in the coming time or in the future. Okay? This is future perfect time tense. Okay? So, here are example given. I shall have completed the revision by the time the exams start. They will have climbed the mountain before sunset. Okay? They in the first example, look at the first example. I shall have completed the revision by the time the exam start. So the student haven't completed his revision. So he is saying that I will complete it by the time the exam start. Whenever the exam start, I will complete till that time. My revision will be completed till that time. So he haven't done the task, but he says I will do this task nearly when the exam start. Okay, by the time the exam start. In the next example, they says that they will have climbed the mountain before sunset. And there is a climber, mountain climber. He haven't completed his climbing, so he is saying that he will complete or they will complete. A group of climbers over there, so they will complete their climbing before the sunset. Okay, he is climbing now, but he haven't completed it, so they are saying that they will complete it before sunset. Now moving to the next page, that is page number 91. Sorry students. Okay, remember, here is a tip for you. Remember, future perfect tense is formed with shall have, will have, and third form of verb. These are the rules of future perfect tense. You use shall have or will have and third form of verb. Okay, what you use? You use shall have, will have, and third form of verb. Now here is an exercise is given. They are saying that fill in the blanks so that sentences are formed in future perfect tense. So your first sentence is Sabah dash bake the cake by the time the guest arrived. Sabah will have baked the cake by the time the guest arrived. Next is the team dash prepared for the match. The team will have prepared for the match. Next one is after the whole day's work, they dash become tired. They will have become tired. I dash finish reading the book by the weekend. I shall have finished reading the book by the weekend. The teacher dash check the notebook by the noon. The teacher will have checked the notebooks by the noon. The staff dash done the work by 8 o'clock. The staff shall have done the work by 8 o'clock. The shopkeeper dash close the shop by the evening. The shopkeeper will have closed the shop by the evening. Before supper, I dash cleared the room. I shall have cleared the room. We dash reached home before sunset. We shall have reached the room before sunset. Number 10 is by 7 o'clock the movie dash ended. The movie will have ended. Okay. So this is your exercise A that is given on your book page number 91. Now Moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. Change the following sentences using future perfect tense. Okay, what you have to do, here's verb are given, you have to write it them in future perfect tense. Hamid dashed the letter by the evening. Will have written the letter. Okay, you have learned that you have to use third form of verb. So we are using third form of the verb that is given in the bracket. Okay, so your next statement is by the time his friend come, Sabir dash the house. Sabir will have left the house. Okay, I dash my work had I dash my work had my friend not arrived. I shall have done my work had my friend not arrived. Shall the dash fast recovery be after her operation? Sorry, the sentence is she dash fast recovery after her operation. She will have shown fast recovery after her operation. Okay, the word is she. Okay, your next statement, that is number 5, is he dashed the dog in a month. He will have trained the dog in a month. They dash here for 2 years in June. They will have lived here for 2 years in the June. Okay, in exercise C, there is a review. There are 38 spelling mistake in the paragraph written below. Rewrite it correctly in your notebook. Okay, I am going to tell you what are the mistakes. You have to underline it and you have to write it as I have done. Okay, let's start it. Many year. The word there is written EARS. You have to write YEARS. Many years ago. There, spelling mistake here. There, THERE. Okay, there means yahan. Okay, lived, LIVED, not WED, VED, lived, not AH, only a, very, VERY, very. Okay, rich man who liked, LIKED, like, to have many friends. He often, OFTEN, often. Okay, students, we just read it often because T is silenced over here. Okay, you know this thing, I think so. That's good. Okay, he often invited, INVITED, invited them to his house, 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 with their, THEIR, their families, FAMILIES, families. All his friends enjoyed, ENJOYED, enjoyed the parties, PARTIES, parties. But the rich man was never, 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 sure, 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 whether, WEATHER, they were his true, true friends or not. He wanted, WANTED, wanted to find out who, who was his true, true friend, friend. He gave a party, party, and told them that he had lost all his wealth and need their help, THEIR, their help to save His house. 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 Everyone. Everyone. One. Left. 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 Except. The word is accept. Okay. Accept. Accept. For two. Two. Gentleman. He know he now knows. Knows. Knows who were his true. True. Friends. 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 Okay, student, have you listened me? That's good. Whatever the spelling, I have just speak by the letters. So you have to rewrite them, and this is the correction of the words, okay? I have done it over here for you, and I have just told it to you. So you have to do it, and after doing it, you have to tell me that we have done. Whenever you will be here, then I will take a check of your notebook, okay? So you have to message me if you have any issue regarding this lecture in WhatsApp group. Thank you so much, students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.